Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the ftrig and rtrig command in LS PLC. First of all, we will open our XT5000 software and here we will take the input address. For an example, MX. We will take the physical input %IX0 and next we will be take the one function. This is the command we have to be need ftrig. When we type the ftrig, you can find the command here in the function list ftrig and click it OK. Again click it OK, again click it OK, and you will be get the command. And next we will put the output. For an example, MX10 I will be used for the output, and next we will be take the open contact of the MX10 and next we will be make the output. Next I will make the output for the physical QX10 and this we will be write into the PLC first, because one by one I will be show you will be better understand, and click OK. Yes, okay. Now make it on. What's the function of this command? Now we'll better understand. As I give the signal at IX0, this output QX10 must be needs to be on, but this will be not on because of this is the scan cycle time is very slow in just micro milliseconds. Now see, I gives the removes the signal and after output needs to be on. Why not on? Because of this is on scan cycle time is very small. This is cannot use in the direct in the MX10 or QX10. You have what you have to be do. First stop the monitor, and this QX10 you have to be used for the set condition. Here I will take and make it QX10 and click OK, and after you will be see it will be on. And in the next line also we will be have to be make one command it here MX0 for an example to reset this command. So I will make the reset function here QX10 we are using, so click enter, and again we will be right into the PLC and click yes, click OK and monitor. And now you will be see as I gives the signal, now you can see at the CLK blue color indication is ready because this command is ready. As we gives the signal, you can see input value is ready but output is not on. As I release the signal, after you will be see output QX10 is now on. So this is the basic function of this command. When you gives the signal, look like any ftrig means falling edge. As you give the signal, it will be not on. When you release the signal, after your output will be on. One more time I will stop my output, make the reset, and again we will be try. And you can see as I give the signal, you can see IX0, the signal is ready but output is not on. As I release the signal, output will be on. So this is the basic function of this ftrig. And now we will be check for the rtrig. Instead of this ftrig, what's the function of the rtrig? We just this three lines make it copy and we will be paste, and this signals we will be change. This I will make the IX1, and this will be command we will be used for the R trig. Here we will be use the R, and you can see this is the R trig, and click OK, click OK, again click OK, again click OK, and this will be changed into R trig, and this is we will be putting the 15 for an example, and you can choose this, nothing issue. And this is we will be choose also 50 addresses we will be change only, and this is QX10, this is also we will be changing the 15, and this is also we have to be change the 15, and click OK. And MX0 no problem, this is for the reset, with the one reset we can use. And again download into the PLC. If I use this one without set condition, I will use, this will be cannot verify the command this is working or not working. This must be have to be used with the set condition. And now you can see here is this blue color, you can see it's ready, because of this is the falling edge and this is the rising edge look like any. As I gives the signal at the IX1, after you will be see our output will be immediately on in the micro milliseconds. You can see this is our QX15 is on, but MX15 you cannot see this is on or not on, not showing, because of there is a small rising edge which gives to the MX15. After MX15 our Q output makes immediately on, and as you give the signal at MX0 your output will be off, right? And one more have command I forget, I will explain you in this lesson. Look like this, we will be make this continue control C, and here we will make control V. This is also very interesting command. Video is now going to lengthy, but it's very interesting. This is just only F we have to be type F. This is, you can see this is the F. This command is, what's the function? This command working as a look like toggle contact. As you give the signal at the IX1, okay, we will use the IX1, no problem. And this part I will be delete because it will be after interrupt in the program. MX15 we are using, and again first I will be download into the PLC. You will be understand better. Click OK, and this one click OK. And what's the function of this one? FF command. As I gives the signal at IX1, you can see now output is on, but now I release the signal, but output is still on, because of what's the meaning of this command? This is the look like toggle command. Again I will give the signal, output will be off. You can see this is one signal is on, second signal will be off. This is look like a single switch button. This command you can use for the only for single buttons. No need to be latch unlatch or set reset, any command like to be make. If you like to be direct motors or something like to be make it on off, this is very best command you can use for this. Only single switch on off command, yani one push on, second push off. So hope guys you will be understand about this F trig and R trig commands. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.